Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be an AliExpress affiliate program tutorial. We're going to be talking about how you can earn money with the AliExpress affiliate program. And for those who are still unfamiliar with AliExpress, somehow it's a retail website based in China that connects shoppers with sellers and manufacturers directly. It's basically Amazon or eBay, but the Chinese version. And some key things to note about the site is that it has over 150 million monthly visitors. It sells pretty much any product imaginable priced very low, and you will be having free worldwide shipping available on many items. It's become so popular because you can buy products at rock bottom wholesale prices since there is no middleman. Prices can be up to 90% lower than US retail stores for similar items. For example, phone cases that sell for $20 on Amazon, you can find them on AliExpress for just $2. So it's a go-to source for getting ultra cheap products shipped directly from Chinese manufacturers and suppliers. And with the amount of traffic that the website consistently gets every month, it makes it an absolute no-brainer to become part of the affiliate program with AliExpress. This allows you to earn commissions when you refer customers to AliExpress who make purchases. As an affiliate, you will get your own unique referral link that you can promote anywhere online, social media, YouTube, your website, and so on. Whenever somebody clicks your link and buys products on AliExpress, you will then be receiving a commission on those sales. You can get anywhere between 9% to 15% commission for top selling products, 30-day cookie duration. Payments can be issued monthly via PayPal, and there is no minimum payout amount. So you can see why this can become a very profitable affiliate opportunity. Typical commission rates for websites like Amazon and other programs are between 4 to 8%. So even though the prices on AliExpress can be cheap, people usually buy in bulk amounts and you are getting a very high commission rate compared to other programs. The 30-day cookie is also great. You'll be getting credit for any purchases made within 30 days of someone clicking your own link, even if they don't buy right away. And unlike many programs, AliExpress has no minimum payout. So as soon as you earn your first dollar in commissions, you can then request your own payment. Alright, so now let's talk about how you can join the AliExpress affiliate program and start earning your commissions. Signing up is quick and easy. All you have to do is type into Google AliExpress affiliate program and then go to the page where it will redirect you with an invitation to collaborate with them. Click that and then you will go to the affiliate homepage with the option to sign up for free. And then fill in the sign up form. You will be prompted to provide your basic information such as email, password, contact information, and you'll be also asked to link your website or social account. This is where you'll be promoting your affiliate links. And that's it. Once you're approved, you can log into your affiliate dashboard and start generating affiliate links right away. Next up, we have to talk about the profitable part, which is driving traffic to start earning commissions. You've got so many creative ways that you can promote AliExpress products as an affiliate. Some top suggestions will be making content as product reviews. You can create a YouTube channel dedicated for YouTube videos reviewing and unboxing cool products that you got from AliExpress with your link in the description. You can create comparison posts where you write blog posts comparing AliExpress prices to Amazon, for example, or Walmart, etc. Social media is another great example where you can share product images, videos, stories with your link and discounts. And one of the most underrated ways is Pinterest. You can create eye-catching product pins that link to your affiliate links. The key is to showcase the unique shopping experience and unbeatable prices on AliExpress. Focus on the fun and savings of buying direct from Chinese suppliers. Always make sure to use your unique affiliate links so you can actually get credit and paid out for the sales. Some pro tips to boost your AliExpress affiliate earnings is that you could focus on high-ticket electronics, jewelry, watches, and other big-ticket items. The commissions can add up really fast. You can always order samples of products first to test the quality before promoting widely. You should always make sure to promote time-sensitive deals around holidays and shopping events and trends. And don't just share your link, give a call to action and click your link and buy specific products. There's no reason to be subtle or hide the fact that you are an affiliate. Be transparent with your audience, and that will help build trust to make them actually click on your link and make purchases. And lastly, you must put before everything the value that you're providing in your content. You don't just want to appeal to your audience as someone who wants to make money and sell them things, but instead actually provide value in your content and help them to make good purchases that will add up to their lives instead. So in summary, the AliExpress affiliate program provides an awesome opportunity to earn solid commissions, promoting fun and affordable products that people actually love. With high commission rates and built-in tracking, it's a great affiliate program to be a part of. So give the AliExpress program a try and start earning. Let us know if you have any questions in the comment section down below, and if you found this video to be helpful or even enjoyable to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.